The Dyson Corrale straightener. This thing is so popular. Is it worth the hype? Is it worth the $649.99? Let's get into it. Let's review it together. You guys are always asking me to review the Dyson Corrale straightener, so I think it's about time that I did. Before we get into this review though, you guys know, please, please, please subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell too so you don't miss anything here. So I've had the Dyson Corrale straightener for about a year now, and I use it pretty frequently because, frankly, it's so easy to use. It's cordless. It's amazing. I have to say that alone is reason enough to buy it. So the fact that it's cordless is probably my favorite thing about this machine. It's just so easy to use. You're not getting tangled up in cords, you name it. Okay, so some of the key benefits of this machine. I'm gonna start with the flexible manganese copper plates. So what's manganese? It's a flexible, strong metal that has superior heat conduction. These flexing plates shape around your hair, gathering it neatly together on each pass for more control. So you can achieve the same style with less heat, therefore you get half the damage compared to other flat irons and hair straighteners out there. So Dyson recommends when you're using the Corrale, set it to a temperature setting that's a little lower than what you'd normally use. Okay, so to open the machine, you just press that switch up and it opens like that. You know what I love about this as well? It has a really nice balance. It feels really good in your hand. It feels really weighty and well constructed. So here is the full machine. This is the little stand, the charger that it sits on. I always put it on the cradle. Every time, like when I pass it through my hair, I just set it down on the cradle so that it's always retaining its charge. Hear that? Means it's charging. So it's got a detachable cord right here. This is the charger itself, and you just put it right there like that. Really easy to use. So when you want to get straightening your hair, you just flip this switch up like so. It opens up like this. So here is your power button. Ta-da! And I'm just gonna turn it on to the middle setting. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've just set it to 185 degrees. You can just put the cord right there. So this is actually a really good option if your Corrale is, you know, dead, you haven't charged it, you can just put it in right there and you're good to go. So it has up to 30 minutes of cord-free runtime, which is amazing, and it also delivers the same thermal performance of a corded straightener. So some useful tips: always begin with 100% charge and place it back on the charging dock when you're not using it. That just makes sense. That keeps the charge nice and high. So it's got intelligent heat control as well, meaning you can regulate the temperature of the plates 100 times a second, ensuring you never exceed your chosen temperature. So it's suitable for all hair types. You can choose from the 3 precise heat settings. As you saw, I set it to 185 degrees Celsius. So something extra nice about the Dyson Corrale is because these manganese copper plates are flexible, you don't have to clamp down on your hair super hard to get your desired style, your desired super straight look or waves, you name it. Just have to clamp down gently and let the machine do the work for you. Okay, let's straighten this hair and let's see how this works. So nice and gentle. There we go. The Dyson has 3 temperature settings. It has 165 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Celsius, and 210 degrees Celsius. I straighten my hair at 185 degrees. Okay guys, I'm almost done straightening my hair with the Dyson Corrale. It's shiny and beautiful and it's fast. You only need one pass, so I'm really loving how I'm zooming through this. So I've been straightening my hair for about 15 minutes now, and I've used just over half of the Corral's power. So that's pretty good. It's got 30 minutes of run time on one charge. Alright guys, I am done straightening my hair with the Dyson Corrale straightener. I am loving the results. That went super fast, and I only used half of the machine's charge. I think that is amazing. So I do think that the Dyson Corrale is worth the investment. It's a solid machine that I think will last you for years. If you want one, you should check out the DysonCanada.ca website, or you can get it at Dyson demo stores in Toronto, Vancouver, and Calgary. I have to say, I really love mine. It comes in about 4 different colors as well. Love the purple. Anyways, I can't thank you enough for watching my video. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed it and learned something. Subscribe to my channel as well. So yeah, guys, if you do have the Dyson Corrale, let me know how you like it. And yeah, thanks for watching.